Okay, we have the problem at the timestamp 10 minutes 54 seconds of video number 16. We have beginning raw materials inventory 32,000 and purchases of raw materials during the same month 276,000 and then ending inventory during the same month or the last day of the month 28,000. Therefore you have to add them all. You are adding, but this is negative because this is parentheses. So use your calculator.
Sir, 280,000 po.
80,000, sir.
280,000 po.
Yeah, 30, sir.
I will show you the calculator. 200 ano daw?
280,000 po.
280,000. So I will show you the calculator.
30 po.
Calculator. How can I do it? Here. Okay, look at my calculator. Okay. Based on my looking at my calculator and also looking at the spotlight of my hand. Okay, my solution. Okay. I will compute 32,000. I will not use the 000 because all of the numbers are 000 at the end. So I will only use 32 to represent 32,000 plus 276,000 and then minus 28 because that is inside the parentheses. And the answer is 280,000. Is that correct? 280,000.
Yes po, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
280,000. Okay, write it down. And that is cost of raw materials. Okay, or the cost of direct materials. Okay, so this is direct materials. Okay, so you have to use what? Peso sign. And what? Another. Do not forget the double line here. Also, this is not correct because there is no double line here. You have to use double line. Okay? That is the correct way of recording according to accounting rules. Okay? So let us take a look at the answer. Okay, what is the answer? Take a look at the answer. Oh, this is the answer. But, okay, this answer is better than my answer because my answer is too what? Too compact. Okay? There are only what? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines. The answer of the book is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines. Okay? There are 5 lines in the solution of the book. My solution is 4 lines. Okay? So, the book solution is better. Okay? This is better because there are more details. Okay? My answer is shortcut. No? My answer is shortcut method. Okay? So, therefore, let's go to the next problem. This is the last problem. Okay? Direct materials used. Okay. 280,000. Then, how much is direct labor? 375. Okay. So, let us problem solving at timestamp 12
Sir.
12 minutes 11 seconds of video number 16. So we have this amount. Let's use this 280 as direct materials plus direct labor. Okay. We have to add the direct labor. How much? 375. Direct labor is what? 375,000. And factory overhead, 180,000. Overhead. Overhead is 180,000. And therefore, you have to add to be able to total the manufacturing cost. Okay? So add this 3. 1, 2, 3. So you have what? Manufacturing cost. Manufacturing cost. In terms of peso, I will show you the calculator. Where is my
Sir,
calculator?
555,000.
280 plus 375 plus 180. So that is 800. That is 835.
835, sir.
Okay. So 835 is letter B, no? 135,000. And then also use double line. Okay. Let us take a look at the answer. Is our answer correct? Oh, wala naman answer. Oh. Oh. Letter C daw yung answer. Pero mali naman, no? Letter C pero 835. Yung nakalagay sa letter C is 655. So, we are able to find out the answer of the book is wrong. Okay? The correct answer is 835. Also the same as the book, 835, but the letter is letter B, not letter C. Okay? Okay, so let's go to the next problem. Last problem. So, beginning work in process. Okay, 125,000.
Sir, nasa calculator pa rin po kami, sir.
So, let's do the problem at the timestamp 13 minutes, 13 seconds of video number 16. Okay, solution. Solution. Beginning work in process was 125. Beginning work in process. Okay. How much? 125,000.
Sir, nasa calculator pa rin po yung screen, sir.
Ay, nasa
Click
calculator
nyo
pa rin
ano,
ba?
pre. Click nyo yung ano, pre. Yung sinusulat ni sir.
Ito pala. Okay. So, this is... Oh, bakit hindi pumunta? So, sinare ko na. Oh, banda yun.
Hindi na, sir.
Ayan, yan.
Okay na po.
Okay. So, then, cost incurred for the month. Okay. 835. So, we know manufacturing cost is 835. So, manufacturing cost is 835. Okay. And there were 200,000 of partially finished goods remaining in work in process. So, partially. So, not yet finished, partially finished. So, it's still work in process, no? At the end of the month. Okay, at the end of the month. So end. So end work in process. How much? 200. So this is negative. This is negative, no? What was the cost of goods manufactured during the month? Okay, so we have what? Equals goods manufactured during the month. Okay, so how much is that? Let us use again the calculator.
$760 po.
So 125 plus 835 minus 200. That is the
760 po.
60,000.
Okay, ano daw?
760,000 po.
Asan yung calculator? Pakita ko lang, calculator. 700 something daw, okay? So, pakita ko lang. Okay, so ganyan yung magiging sagot, 760. Let's go back to the video. Tingnan natin. What is the answer? So, let's go to the answer. That's the answer. And also, use the answer of the textbook. The textbook answer is better than my answer. Look, it is written out, beginning work, but also uses shortened contraction, manufacturing. This is manufacturing. NFD must be spelled out, not contracted word. No? Okay? So, ending, beginning, very good. Unlike my solution, beginning, WIP, what is that? End, supposed to be ending. Goods, manufactured, supposed to be spelled out, manufactured. That is not good. Okay, the answer is 760. Okay? So I think that is the last problem, or there is another one. There is the last one. Okay. You have the last problem here. Beginning finished goods inventory. Okay. This is the last one because we are now going to the finished goods. So take note what I'm saying to you. Raw material is this one. Raw material, work in process, and finished goods. That is the three types of material. Okay. So problem, timestamp 14 minutes 13 seconds of video number 16. Solution. Okay. So we have to write what? Beginning finished goods inventory. So again, write beginning, not big. Finished goods. Finished goods. FG is not correct. By how much? 130,000. Okay. The cost of goods manufactured for the month was 760. That is to be added. 760. We already calculated. Okay. Cost of goods manufactured. Okay. The ending finished goods inventory. So ending Finished goods. Inventory. How much? 150. That is supposed to be negative. So the question is, but this is supposed to be double line. Okay. The question is, how much is the cost of goods sold? Cost of goods sold. Okay, in
780.
terms of pesos. So I will show you the calculator. Where's the calculator? Here is the calculator.
740,000 po.
760 plus 130 minus 150, and therefore the answer is 740. Okay, so 740,000. Okay, and use double line. Do not use CGS. Use the word cost of goods sold. Okay, cost of goods sold is COGS. COGS. But do not use this word. Use cost of goods sold. Okay. So let us take a look at the answer. Okay, what is the answer? Answer. So supposed to be letter B, no? Where is it now? I already shared the screen. Already shared the screen. Okay, where is the answer? Not yet. Okay, the answer is 740. Okay, so we have all the correct answer for today. Okay, this is how you do it. Problem solving. Okay. Any question? Any question?
None, sir.
None? Okay, if you don't have any question, please continue practicing this formula and writing down all the necessary words, practicing how to do it. Take a look. Straight line, straight line, straight line, straight line. All the commas, the same, straight line. Okay? Take a look of how to do it correctly. You don't have any question. Thank you very much for the day. And see you next week. No? Just wait for any announcement on the GC. Thank you. Again, this is Dr. DrEYPEI, Preaching Engineering for Nation Building.